Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Huawei device has MUI compatible with Google Mobile Services workarounds and at least 10% battery. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi so downloads don't stall. You'll need to allow app installs from the alternative source you choose. Make sure to toggle the setting only while installing. You should also sign into your Google account later, so keep your email and password at hand. This gets you ready to fetch the necessary APK or installer. You now download the Google Framework, Play Services, and Gmail APKs from a trusted source in the correct sequence. Install the framework first, then Play Services, and finally Gmail. This order prevents crashes. During installs, you'll grant permissions, accept only those necessary. Once core components finish, reboot the phone to ensure services register with the system. After reboot, open Play Services to sign into your Google account. Make sure Play Services syncs before launching Gmail to avoid login errors. You finish by opening Gmail and completing the account setup, choosing sync frequency and inbox preferences so mail arrives as you expect. Make sure notifications are enabled, background data is allowed, and battery optimization excludes Gmail to prevent delayed delivery. If things go wrong, first clear app data for Play Services and Gmail, then reinstall Play Services. This resolves most authentication or sync failures. If a persistent error appears, reboot, check network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.